Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. Today we will move to solve problems on discount. Take an example. In the previous video, already we learned what is discount, the terms on discount. Okay, take an example. Ricky purchased a shirt for Rs 2000. Discount offered for the shirt is 10%. Find how many amount has he given to the cashier. It is question. In this question, Ricky purchased a shirt for Rs 2000. 2000 is what? Marked price. 2000 is what? Marked price is equal to Rs 2000. After offered for the shirt 10%. This is discount percent. This means 10%. Okay, discount percent is 10%. What we find out first? First we find out discount. After we find out selling price. So discount is equal to question mark. Selling price is equal to question mark. How can we find out discount? Discount is equal to discount percent divided by 100 into marked price. Okay, so discount percent is 10%. 10 divided by 100 into marked price means 2000. Simplify this one, we get discount. So discount is equal to 20 times 200 Rs 200. Okay, this is discount. After we find out selling price. So selling price is equal to what? Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Okay. SP is equal to marked price minus discount. The marked price is 2000. Discount is 200. So selling price is equal to Rs 1800 rupees. Okay. Ricky purchased a shirt for 1800 rupees. This type we solve problems on discount.